Well, we almost had another visitor like we did with the BoxyCharm video I had. But she decided to leave and not bark and just be a nice little girl. So little Bailey has deserted us. So let's jump on board and, let's talk about this video. It's going to be all about the Becca Party Popper Ultimate Lipstick Love Mini Kit, and it is $25. If this is something you want to know about and you're here for this video, stick around. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, I'd appreciate you sticking around and giving a big thumbs up and a subscribe button below in addition to the little bell so you'll be notified of future videos. And if you've been a subscriber for a long time, I really appreciate it, and I thank you all for your support. Anyways, let's jump on board and let's talk about the Becca Party Popper Ultimate Lipstick Love Mini Kit. There are 3 shades in here, and just want to go into each one. And there are no parabens, and it's cruelty-free, which are big keepers for me. And each one is 0.07 ounces or 1.2 grams. So they're not the big monster, lipsticks. It's a mini kit, so just kind of put it out there. But look at this. It looks absolutely cute as a bug, and it looks like a party popper, So let's open it up, and we'll talk about each one of the beautiful little makeup, lipsticks we have in here. And as I said, they are minis. Let me get this sucker open. And yes, you pop it open like a party popper. Party popper. Said that 3 times fast. So anyways, so I love it when they pack these things to make sure they never leave the package and they're just frustrate the goobers out of you. But anyways, let me get them out. Oops, let me took the tops off. The packaging here, I think they're out to get you sometimes. So anyways, here are the actual lipsticks right here. And as I said, there's 3 shades. These are the minis, so don't expect the big suckers, okay? This is a mini. It's very pocket friendly, and it is by Becca. So you've got the 3 shades. You've got Sugar, Orchid, and Rosewood. So let's talk about each one, and I'll put a swatch on the back of my arm for you. So the first one is Sugar. I just don't want these falling on the floor. The first one is Sugar, and look at that cute little packaging. Open it up. It has a nice twist up, and this is a cool light pinky beigey satin. So let me put it on the back of my hand. Whoa, that goes on nice. And there's no smell to it, but look at that beautiful color. Oh wow, that's a really nice pinky beige, and it's a nice satin. Really nice. And as I said, this is Sugar, which is a lot of people love it. There's an influencer, Madison Miller. She loves this shade and she wears it all the time, and she raves on her channel. And let me tell you, it is beautiful. So next up we have is Orchid. Let me see. Yeah, it's Orchid. And here it is in the nice little tube. And let me open it up. Look at that. It is a cool pinky plum satin. So let me put it on the back of my hand. Look at that. It goes right on smooth, no tugging. I don't smell any kind of fragrance to it, but look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? That is really pretty, and this is really good for the holidays as well. So let's go to the next one, and it is called Rosewood. Let me get my arm clean a little bit. And as I said, here's the packaging. You open it up. Look at this. This is a warm, rich rose satin. And let me just do this on the back of my hand. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. It looks like a nice bricky kind of terracotta red. Really pretty. I think this is going to be something that you know, everybody can use any one of these colors. I think it'd be really nice to your collection, or just to break it up and give them out as stocking stuffers or to girlfriends. I think this would be really beautiful, and I think that it complements all, you know, types that of skin tones. I think it's really beautiful. And you know what you could do is you can just put a little pop of lip gloss on it on top, and I think it would be fabulous. So, and it's a great way to try new colors for the price point of 25 bucks. You know, get 3 of them and try Becca and get that stuff going. And you know what? It's great to go for a party, you know, for stocking stuffers, or to give, you know, a hostess gift would be really cute. It's great packaging. And you know what? Becca, you know, I really enjoy her, you know, that whole line, especially the highlighter and blushes. But this is my first, you know, toe into the pond regarding the lipsticks. And I think this is a big thumbs up. So hopefully you like this video and you find it, you know, informational. And, you know, I suggest that you go out and take a peek at it. And if it speaks to you, give it a whirl. Anyways, you have a great one, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.